We'll guide you through how to choose the right ChatGPT subscription plan for your needs. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open your web browser and go to the official ChatGPT website. You'll need to be logged into your account. So if you aren't already, just click on the login button at the top right corner and enter your credentials. Once you're logged in, navigate to the account settings by clicking on your profile icon. From the drop-down menu, select Upgrade. This will take you to a page where you can see all the available subscription plans. Now you'll see options like the free plan, which gives you basic access to ChatGPT, the Plus plan, which offers faster response times and priority access during peak times, and the Pro plan, designed for more intensive usage with additional features and support. Each plan will have a detailed description of what's included, so read through these carefully to understand the benefits, consider how often you use ChatGPT, and what features are important to you. If you use it frequently or need it for professional purposes, the Plus or Pro plans might be more suitable. Once you've decided, click on the Select button next to your preferred plan. You'll be prompted to enter payment details, so have your credit card ready. After entering your information, review your selection and confirm the subscription. You should receive a confirmation email shortly after. Remember, you can always change your plan later if your needs evolve. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.